Welcome to English Quizler. Think your grammar skills are sharp enough? In this quiz, I've got 40 tricky English questions, a perfect mix of easy, medium, and advanced levels to test how well you know English. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin.
Thank you. I am glad to hear from you. I'm going to go. She was charged with fraud. There are far fewer reasons to stay than to leave. She promised she would finish the report by Friday. We need to work out the new plan before Monday. I'll attend the meeting, if my schedule permits. The winner will be announced tomorrow. To whom should I send the invoice? This version is more user-friendly than the last. I would appreciate it if you confirm receipt. He decided to improvise. He chose to play it by ear. She gave an excellent presentation yesterday. She said she was leaving then. We need to meet the deadline. There is little hope that the patient will recover. He insisted on paying for our tickets. The policy, whose terms were unclear, caused confusion. She avoids arriving late. By the time you read this, I will have left the office. CEO resigns after scandal. The results were exceptionally impressive. He's not used to drinking coffee in the morning. You've met her before, haven't you? When I was young, I could run 10 miles. Excessive noise causes public health issues. Only after I left did I realize the mistake. He asked whether I could arrive earlier. I'd rather go now than later. She took on the role at short notice. They had service technicians repair the machine. The new law had a positive effect on trade. He gave a concise explanation that everyone understood. He asked me where I had put the keys. She drinks coffee after dinner usually. Had I known, I would have acted differently. To book an appointment is the usual expression. Each candidate must bring his or her own ID. He is very meticulous about small details. Rarely have I seen such dedication.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.